So the other night here, I got to talking with my brother, and we were thinking about how could we make, printers better than they are right now. Like how can we go to the next level? You know what I'm saying here, right? So we got to talking about this fiberglass. Now I have used fiberglass before on a restoration project of a jet ski. I'm gonna let this all get a little tacky here before I fold all the stuff on the corners here over. I think that'll just work better, and I won't tear up those edges as much as I would if I just kept pushing them down. So I think I'm gonna leave them, let it get a little tacky, come back at it here in a couple minutes. It is half-hour epoxy, so I'll probably wait, a couple minutes at a time and keep looking back just to be safe. Well, we got the last of the fiberglass strips on there, and now I gotta wait for them to dry.
What's up today, guys? We're out in the shop. We're in our Chinesium grade safety gear here.
Taking all that crap off for just a second here to explain what I want to do. But anyways, it's not all that crazy. Just going to go along here and cut off some of the excess fiberglass, sand it up, make it smooth.
Well, I'm going to try and fast forward through all this crap. Hopefully I don't get in the way too much, but let's get after it.
ladies and gentlemen, you have a Fiberglass 3D printer. As you can see, snug as a bug. I mean, don't worry about all the internal parts not being in there and all. They're there. They're just somewhere else.